our lesson. We're going to plot the coordinates using these letters. All right, so the first one, letter A. Let me actually make a little. Well, nah. All right, letter A is going to be at +3, -5. So if we go start here, we're going to go +1, +2, +3. Then we'll go down -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to have a point down here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's our point A. This is where A is at. All right, B is at +3. So 1, 2, 3. +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's our point B. Awesome. Let's erase all that. Perfect. Point C is at -2. So -1, -2. +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's where our point C is going to be. And last but not least, point D is at -2, -1, -2, -5, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so now we have our points on our graph, A, B, C, D. There we go. Now we have our points on our graph here. We're going to take a look at our questions. First of all, what is the quadrilateral that is created? So a quadrilateral is the shape. So what shape did we create? Not a square, but a rectangle. So what you're going to type in there is rectangle. 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 Next one, what is the distance? So that one was quadrilateral. This one's, what is the distance between point B and, point C? All right, so point B and point C. So up here, let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The distance is 5 units. 5 units. All right, now it asks the distance between point C and point D. C and D. All right, let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units. And I know this is 9 units. I know this is 5 units. All right, last question. What is the perimeter? Perimeter means outside the perimeter. It means all of this outside. So we're going to have to figure out the perimeter of this plotted quadrilateral. So we're going to have to add all of these sides up. So we know that these two sides, from B to C is 5. Also from D to A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And A to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just as a quadrilateral, or I'm sorry, a rectangle should be. All right, now let's add them all up. Perimeter. Perimeter. Add all sides. So when we add them up, 9 plus 5 plus 5 plus 9. Okay, so I have 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, which equals 10. 10. And then I have 9 plus 9, which equals 18. 18 plus 10. 28. So I got 28. So hopefully you guys get 28. Perimeter is just units. 28 units. And that is going to be it for our questions here for our lesson. Great, great job. Remember, if you need to watch this again, watch it as many times as you need. And that's going to be it. Great job.